Vamanadeva goes on, verse 35, he said, I will give you protection. And I'll be there with you all the time. Become your dwara, digdwara, tadrigdwara, be your gatekeeper. Then he says, Tatra dhanava daityanam sangatte vavat asura triswa mad anubhavam vai sadhya kunto vinanksh yati. This is text 36, chapter 22, 8th canto. Vamana said, listen, Bali, because on Sutala you will see my supreme prowess. Your materialistic ideas and anxieties that have arisen from your association with demons and danavas would immediately be vanquished. So the Lord is describing multi-levels of protection. How He's going to protect him. Because in the previous verse, He told that He will protect him